Do you want to learn how to blur your house on Google Maps Street View? In this video, I'm going to help solve that problem. So first, head over to Google Maps, type in the location to your house, and then once you're there, on the bottom right, you'll find this person type icon. Click on this and drag it to your location. Now, once you've found your house, what you have to do is on the bottom right, you're going to find this, which says report a problem. Click on this and it's going to take you over to this page. Now correctly place this red square over at your house, pointing to your house. Below it, you're going to find why are you reporting this image. Now inside it, you've got these two options. First one is request blurring. So if you want to blur the house, you can just select this one, my home. Certify that I have the authority to request the blurring of this property. And you can also write in additional information to help them identify if it's the correct home or not. Or if you don't want to blur, you can also report for image quality. For example, if the image quality is not good, you can report for that and they can then get a better quality of this image. Now down here we have email address. Make sure to type in the correct email address because they are going to contact you for it regarding the updates and such, and they might ask you for more information. Then click on this I am not a robot. Once done, click on submit. And that's it. Once done, they're going to send you a success information to your email. And this is how to blur your house on Google Maps Street View. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment.